For Humans to Know, by Maitreya Maitreyan. Chapter 2. Is there a beginning for the universe? Every attempt to identify a first cause leads to another question about what came before that, creating an endless chain our minds can't resolve. This struggle comes from a misguided assumption that the universe must have a definite beginning or end. Every beginning needs another beginning, and another, and another. Maybe the universe never actually began. Scientists describe this ongoing transformation as entropy, the natural shift from order toward disorder. Humans think in terms of beginnings and endings because our lives are filled with events that have them: sunrises, stories, calendars. But these are mental constructs, not universal truths. The Big Bang definitely happened. We know this from strong evidence, such as the cosmic microwave background and the expansion of galaxies. But the Big Bang does not claim the universe came from nothing. Instead, the universe began expanding from a dense, energetic state whose deeper origins we cannot currently describe. The Big Bang was the stretching of space itself, like dots on a balloon moving apart as the balloon inflates. This is why scientists call the Big Bang the beginning, because it's the earliest moment we can meaningfully discuss. Small irregularities, tiny quantum fluctuations, were needed for gravity to form galaxies, stars, and planets. If the early universe were perfectly smooth, nothing would ever have formed. So the universe exists because its earliest state wasn't perfect. Time, our internal way of tracking change. Space, our external way of locating change. The universe is timeless and eternal in some form, and the beginning is simply where our current scientific understanding stops. Several scientific frameworks support a universe without a true beginning: the arrow of time. Entropy. The direction of time depends on increasing disorder. Penrose's cyclic universe. The universe may end in a state similar to the one that leads to a new Big Bang, creating endless cosmic cycles. Hawking and Hartle's no-boundary proposal suggests the universe has no initial boundary or beginning point in time. Time emerges from a timeless state. Asking what came before makes as little sense as asking what's north of the North Pole. So maybe the question isn't, how did the universe begin? Maybe the real question is, why do we expect it to have a beginning at all? Ours is just one bubble in an endlessly expanding multiverse. The universe, never-ending change.